Hey everybody, Dubs here, and this is box break number 86, 11/12 Rookie Anthology from last week, Friday, January 18th. This break is the rescheduled one from then, and here's your list of winning bidders. Okay, starting us off today, we'll take a look at the roulette board and see what we're working with today. So here we got a green 34, orange 32, green 28, green 27, green 22, orange 17, orange 15, green 10, green 5, and green 0 and 00. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on the roulette wheel, we will be giving away one of the following cards. The green 25 chip is a Colin Greening Phenoms rookie card from Limited. And our orange chip is a prime namesakes of Craig Anderson for the Ottawa Senators. And if we spin both chip numbers, we will give away the higher value of the two, which would be the prime namesakes or the 50 chip. Our short straw bonus cards for today, we've got a Authentic Fabrics of St. Louis for the Lightning. We got a Treasured Swatches of Kopitar. And a Fabrics of the Game of Henrik Sedin. So if you fail to get a hit during the regular portion of the break, you'll be eligible for one of those three cards. As you can probably hear, my voice is still a little bit not up to par from my being sick, but it's getting better, and hopefully next week it'll be perfect, but we'll see. Alright, here's our box of Rookie Anthology for the evening. Before we open that or get to that, we're going to spin the roulette wheel and give away a team for free. And we'll start off with a 0. So that will guarantee us the green chip, and we'll spin again. And that is number 5. You sound like me, Dubs, from Terry, so I'm guessing you've been sick recently too. Number 0 and 5. So the team recipient of the team refund for today is going to be number 5, which is the Colorado Avalanche. And the Colorado Avalanche is owned today by DJ and Ella's mom, so congratulations. I will be refunding that team to you at a later time. Colorado. Alright, and the end of the box here. That is number 181152836. So here are your cards. Rookie Anthology up top, which we'll be opening first. Also the usually luxury suite pack. Empty box. So we'll turn these sideways, get them out of the way. Alright, our first one feels pretty light. So this will start us off. Oh, can't get a grip. So our card in here is going to be a so flimsy. It is an autographed Ryan Getzlaf with the Ducks, numbered 17 out of 99. Starting us off, the Ducks are owned by dubs88. So nice Stanley Cup card of Ryan Getzlaf to start us off. Quack, quack. And for getting the first strike of the break, dubs88, I will be including with your package a pack of 11-12 contenders. dubs88, so that is your first strike winner. And continuing on with the anthology. We'll start with Eric Stahl for the Hurricanes. And Versteeg for the Panthers. And we got a pinnacle rookie of Pierre-Cedric Labrie for the Tampa Bay Lightning and Chappie. And a spacer. Bergeron for the Bruins and Brodeur for the Devils. Niemi for the Sharks. And Jimmy Howard for the Red Wings. Then we got another pinnacle rookies. This one is of Simon Desprez for the Pittsburgh Penguins and Chappie. So Chappie's 2 for 2 on the pinnacle rookies. Pominville for the Bruins, Sabres, and Steen for the Blues. Taylor Hall up top for the Oilers, with Erik Karlsson for the Senators. We've got a Calder Contenders for the Buffalo Sabres. It is Marcus Foligno. And Buffalo is owned by Vangerbeek. And this one is numbered 755 out of 999. And spacer. And we got James Neal for the Penguins. And Brizgalov for the Flyers. Then we got Anderson for the Senators, Kopitar for the Kings, Crawford for the Blackhawks, and we've got a die-cut rookie of Cody Eakin for the Washington Capitals, and that one's going to dwh78. So a nice hit there. That's an all-white jersey swatch, and now you can actually read it. And this one is numbered 20 out of 299. So once again, Washington Capitals for dwh78. And we got Iginla for the Flames and Rask for the Bruins. Smythe for the Oilers, Giroux for the Flyers, O'Reilly for the Avalanche. Then we got a rookie rivalry of Tim Erickson and Calvin DeHaan, Rangers and Islanders. The Rangers were owned by Oxmav, and the Islanders was owned by Chappie. So we'll get to this one in a second, and we'll bring out the sudden death card to determine who's going to be taking that one home with them. Weber for the Preds, and Backstrom for the Capitals. So here is our sudden death card. We got some text down at the bottom, evens and odds. So we'll set this up right on top of the card. Erickson on the left is going to be represented by even numbers on the wheel, and Dahan on the right is going to be odd numbers. So we're going to spin the roulette wheel, see what number comes up. If it's 0 or 00, we're going to respin. And the verdict is number 34. 34 is even. Even is on the left, so the New York Rangers and Oxmav will be taking home the rookie rivalry. Erickson / Dahan. That is to Erickson. I'm guessing that's going to come out for sure another time yet. Then we got Solani for the Ducks. Koivu for the Wild. Oh, those cards always surprise me. We got a Crown Royale rookie of Patrick Maroon for the Anaheim Ducks. That one is going to dubs88 and not numbered. And Spacer. And Skinner for the Hurricanes and Franzen for the Red Wings. Then we got Corey Schneider for the Canucks. Nash for the Jackets. And we've got another Pinnacle rookie. This one is of Dmitry Orlov for the Washington Capitals and DWH78. Spacer. PK Subban for the Canadiens and Eberle for the Oilers. Okay, we'll set that one aside for now. Lettinen for the Stars. Marchand for the Bruins. And we've got a Pinnacle rookie of Slava Voinov for the LA Kings. LA Kings is all four kinds. Spacer. Vokun for the Capitals. And Yager for the Flyers. Second to last pack. And we got Kessel for the Leafs. Briere for the Flyers. Elliott for the Blues. And we've got a rookie rivalry of Jake Gardiner and Aaron Pelushaj for the Leafs and Canadiens respectively. The Leafs was owned by Matt Kay, and the Canadiens was DJ and Ella's mom. So we'll get to this one in just a second. Hiller for the Ducks and Kessler for the Canucks to end that pack off. So here's our sudden death card. Once again, just like before, Gardner on the left is going to be even numbers, and Pelushaj on the right is going to be odd numbers. So we'll spin the wheel, and zeros and double zeros will be respins. And we will settle on number 20. 20 is an even number, so that'll be going to the Leafs and Matt Kay. And our last pack. Yeah. We have up top Jamie Benn for the Stars, then Rene for the Preds, Tavares for the Islanders, from the back Kane for the Blackhawks, and Doan for the Coyotes. And this one will be going to the Pittsburgh Penguins. It is Simon Desprez, Rookie Treasures. This one is numbered 355 out of 499. And the Penguins, this break was owned by Chappie. So there you go. Congrats. And that will finish off the break for us. Alright, we'll take a look at the prize board first in our post-break ceremonies. So here's our board. So we'll spin the wheel and then choose a prize. And we'll see who it will go to. So that's going to stop on number 9. Number 9. So the prize behind spot number 9 is going to be an 11-12 Prime Rookies of Patrick Weirkoch. And that one is going to be here. Just need a sleeve for it. Or a top loader for it. Man, I'm out of those. Okay, well, I'm going to have to get a top loader later for it. So here it is, Patrick Weirkoch, Prime Rookies. 4 jerseys, 1 auto, 2 reds, 1 black, 1 white. So that will be the prize for today. So we will spin the wheel one more time and see what team is going to be taking that one home. We seem to be loaded with, and that is 0, Team 0. No team associated with 0. So we'll spin the wheel again. And that'll just be going to be number 31. No team associated with 31, so we'll spin again. And that will be number 27. Team 27. Lots of numbers spun today. So, 27. Oops, I wrote down the wrong number. 27. 27 down here. The winner of the Prime Rookies card will be the St. Louis Blues. And the St. Louis Blues in this one was dubs88. So congrats to dubs88 for that one. Rook to St. Louis. Okay, short straw time. Can you show that last? Which last hit, Chappie? The like from the actual break? This one was the last hit in the actual break. There's Simon Desprez, Rookie Treasures. Yeah, you had the Penguins. Okay, so we've got the Henrik Sedin Fabrics of the Game, Kopitar Treasured Swatches, and St. Louis Authentic Fabrics. So those are the 3 up for grabs in the short straw. So here are the teams down here that got hits during the break. So we'll just shuffle them all to the side because they're not important for this segment. The remainder of the teams will be placed into this cup. And they will be jostled and shaken around. Chip number 1 will be going to St. Louis. Chip 2 for Kopitar, and chip 3, Sedin. So chip number 1, the Colorado Avalanche. Chip 2, the Calgary Flames. And 3, the Vancouver Canucks. So DJNL's mom had the Avalanche, Chappie had the Flames, and dubs88 had the Canucks. So those are your short straw winners. Flames and Canucks. And next we'll take a look at the roulette board. So here are the numbers that we have spun so far. Bunch of them: 0, 5, 34, 20, 9, 31, and 27. So we'll take a look and see what we're going to pull. So we got 0 up front, right off the hop, and we spun it again later on. So we'll be definitely giving away the Colin Greening Phenoms rookie card. We did a 5, which is also green. 9, which is blank. Next was 20. 20 is blank. 27 is a green. 31 is blank, and 34 is green. So lots of greens. So that means we will definitely be giving this one away. No doubt about it. So we will spin the wheel one more time, reveal a team on the bonus board, and that's who will be taking home that one. So spin. And that'll be going to team number 24. And 24, that will be the Chicago Blackhawks. And the Blackhawks are owned by Vangerbeek, so greening will be heading your way. And last but not least, we'll be taking a look at bingo. So we had a bingo we blacked out the first board in the last break, so that means this week we'll be starting fresh with 3 new boards. Board number 1 is 1112 SPX, board 2 is 1112 Elite, and board 3 is 1112 Pinnacle. So here's our cage with 3 marbles left. So we'll be taking the cup with all of the marbles in it, and we will be refilling this thing with them all. Full house. Close this back up. Oh, put that back in there. So to start us off again, or to start a new board, we'll be picking 12 marbles, just to get us a good flying leap into into these next 3 boards. So we'll just shuffle this around a little bit. And we'll pick 12 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll put these all to the side. And 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 marbles. So let's see what we can get here. So first we have N38. And N38 will give us a spot on board 1. And that'll be it. So we are racing for a bingo before a blackout. So the first board to get a bingo will get opened. 061 is board 1. And nothing on board 2, and 061 on board 3. Then we got 067. .067 is blank on 1, blank on 2, and blank on 3. Blog failed, so we will reload this one. Live again. Just waiting for some confirmation that these guys can hear me again. Let me know when you get me. Check, 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 check. Okay. So our next marble is going to be N43. And N43 gives us nothing on all 3. Then we've got N34. And N34 is going to be a big help for board number 3. Just setting ourselves up. Marble number 6 is N37. Lots of N marbles coming up. N37, which is blank on all 3. B15. And B15 will give us a corner shot on 1. And upper left on 3. Then we've got G59. And G59 gives us a spot on board 2. Gets its first chip of the round. And also board 3. Then you got I-29. And I-29 is going to give us a spot on board 1. And that'll be it. Oh, sorry, didn't see it. It was light gray. And on 2. Then we've got I-21. And I-21 will give us another slot on board 2. and another on board 3. And then we've got I-19. And I-19 is going to be good for board number 3 on the bottom row. And last marble to fill things out is 062. Oh, 62. So that'll be top corner on 1. 062 is blank there and blank there. So that is the spread for this break. Just starting us off, but we got some 3 in a rows on all 3. Nice start. Nice start. I had starts where there have been boards that didn't get any chips. So it's nice to see chips spread around all 3 to give us a good race to the first bingo. So that is all I have today. I'll be logging off now, and I think Jim's breaks will start ending in about 15 minutes.